Hello, turtle.
If you are seeing this, I think you already know what we are going to do today. So let's start. I wanted to start with base coating the areas where I wanted to have the blue paint. But to be honest, I got carried away pretty fast and I just started to paint all of the smaller details. Hi, so there was a pretty stupid situation. I was painting the miniature for the last 30 minutes and I just now realized that I forgot to press the record button. So I will now show you what I did so you could stay up to date on the progress. So I just did here the blue stripes. Here on this leg I did some fish scales and here I made a cross. So this is where we stand, and now let's go back to painting, and I will not turn off the camera, so I will not forget that. So my inspiration was, for example, the Arabic tile I showed in the last video, but also the ceramic teapots, or this and this. And this is the style that I want to replicate in today's project. So I am now mostly done with painting with blue paint, and we might have a problem because I left one shoulder plate painted blue and I wanted to paint something with the white paint on it. But now there is a question, will we be able to see the white paint on the shoulder plate? I don't know it, and we will have to find out. So the good thing is I was able to paint with the white paint. The bad thing is I don't think you can tell that I wanted to paint a sparrow or a bird. Can you tell that it is a bird? I don't know. As the decorations, I used a combination of crosses. I painted small dots that should resemble little flowers. I also tried to paint some lines. I tried to imitate the details by painting a lot of smaller stuff. My model is mostly done, and while we wait for him to dry, I can just take him out because I didn't glue him in like this, and we can focus on the tiles on the base because I want to also paint the whole blue patterns and like leaves, crosses on the base, on the white stones, because I think it would bring everything nicely together. So that's what we are going to do right now. So now I thought I was finished with the miniature, but then I took a look at it and it was missing something. And then I looked at my references and it was really fast, really clear what I was missing. I was missing this shiny finish, this glossy effect. And to achieve that, I got us this thing. Okay, so I got this. This thing is called gloss varnish, and it should help us achieve this shiny look, but I have never used it before and I am quite scared to use it. And because of that, we will not use it on the real miniature that I am painting today, but instead we will test it on him. A test miniature, a bonus one that I painted few days ago, and we will see if it's a good idea to use it or not. I hope to achieve this shiny effect with it, but we'll see if it works or not. As I said, we tested it on the red one first, and it dissolved his whole face and a lot of details. But to paint him, I was also using the before mentioned pen technique with the normal pen ink, and it was not suitable for that, and it destroyed him. But now I took the miniature from the first day, and it was only painted with normal miniature paints, and I don't see any immediate damage to the paint job, so I think I will keep going on him, to see how it looks. I have now covered everything with a pretty thick layer of this gloss varnish. Now I guess we just have to wait 30 minutes and see how it looks. So we have our results after 30 minutes, and I would say it is definitely more glossy and shiny. So with that being said, I would say our proof of concept was successful, and we can do it for real. I just need to be careful not to put too much gloss in one place and to spread it equally. But with that in mind, I think we are good to go to do it for real. It is done. Now let's see the final results in 30 minutes. For you, it's just a couple of seconds. So that was the last day of the challenge, where I tried to learn how to paint Warhammer miniatures with just those 7 Space Marines. So tell me, which one was your favorite? Which one you think was the best? Or maybe the most original one out of the 7? I think my personal favorite is day 7. I think it really captured what I wanted to achieve. So I really don't have any regrets about how it turned out. And maybe you can give me some suggestions on what should I paint next. By the way, don't look there. There is a spoiler for the future video, so don't you try to cheat.